Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, my name is Shauna. I am a New York City based fashion model and lover of makeup. And if my speech is a little off today, it's because I have had a canker sore on my tongue and it's still healing. Probably too much information, but anyway. So today I am going to do a look with Musée Beauty Le Jardin palette, which is the garden in French. And it has this really pretty spring color story. I know that I'm going to do like pink and purple mostly on the upper eye area, and then I want to do green on the bottom to have it give like a very floral feel, and a very like pulled back blush. And I know exactly what I'm going to be wearing afterward. I haven't been filming as much lately. I just have been feeling kind of blah, but I'm really starting to feel like myself again, and I'm ready to get some more content out. I just got my hair done today. It's a little gray at the roots because when you freshly bleach hair, when you put the toner over it, if you leave it a little too long, it can really the color can really grab. But it will fade to a true platinum in a week or two probably. But anyway, I am excited to do the look. I have photo shoots coming up this weekend. I ended up doing a last minute photo shoot right after my hair appointment. So I'm really excited to be creating more once again. And let's just get right into the look. First, I'm going in with the shade Dahlia, which is a matte pink shade. And I love that all the shade names of this palette are flower names. And I'm starting in the outer portion of the crease and bringing it pretty far in. Next, I'm going in with the shade Lavender, which is, to me, more of a periwinkle than a lavender, but it's kind of in between a blue and a pink, and this is a matte as well. And I'm placing this in the inner section and in above the crease. Next, I'm going in with the shade Peony, which is a metallic pink shade, and I'm placing this on the inner half of the lid. And now I'm going in with the shade Violet, which is a shimmery purple shade, and placing this on the outer half of the lid. To begin the work under the eye, I am taking the shade Sorrel, which is a matte green, a pretty true green, like a grassy green shade. And now for the inner eye highlight, I am taking the shade Basil, and this is a frosty, shimmery green shade. For the waterline, I am taking the House Labs Identified Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Blade, which is a metallic silver shade. And at this point, I am just blending out the edges to make everything a little more seamless. At this point, I am just curling my lashes and then going in, as usual, with the Milk Makeup Crush Mascara. For blush, I'm going in with Double Down Cosmetics The Cosmic, and this is a beautiful pink shade with a slight champagne shimmer to it, but it mostly reads matte on the skin, at least on me. And I am pulling it up to the temples because I personally love that 80s style blush. And now for highlighter, I'm first going in with the Fortune by Double Down Cosmetics. I meant to only use the light, but since I picked up the Fortune, I went ahead and used that. And now I'm mostly going in with the light, which is in collaboration with Media J. And I just love that green reflect in that highlighter. I felt it went perfectly with this look. And now to finish off the look, I am going in with Milk Makeup's Electric Glossy Lip Plumper in the shade Charged. Completed look. I am really happy with how it came out. It's very spring, nice early spring look. I initially ended up planning on bringing the green further down, but I'm kind of happy that I left it the way it was, because this definitely was more intended as like a pretty look rather than an artsy look. But yeah, I had a good time playing with this palette. I really didn't have an issue with any of the colors. Everything blended pretty well. I mean, as you would expect with pastels, like, they're not the most pigmented colors. Like, I mean, especially like this light purple, like, it's there. Like, it's definitely a visible color, but it's not like bam in your face. But that's not going to be the case with any pastels. So yeah, that said, everything blended like a dream. All the colors worked well, layering them on top of each other as well. And I'm now going to put the rest of my look on and go take some photos. So I hope that you enjoyed this. If you like this kind of content, then please comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye.